Fireworks color your life. Hello everyone, I'm Cassie from Master Fireworks. Welcome to this issue of weekly product recommendation. Did you know that in the last century there was a song called "A Fire in Winter" that was popular all over the country? It rarely snows in our south, but there were a few beautiful snowfalls in the last month. Do you like to play with snow? So the product we recommend today is Snow Country, which is a cake composed of 36 shells with a diameter of 25 millimeters. It has 6 rows. Each row has a different burning effect. Next, please enjoy its burning effect. Thanks for your watching. You are welcome to comment below our video or share our video with your friends. If you guys love our channel, please subscribe it. See you next time. Goodbye.